Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eunice. Today we'll be making purple salad. With me I have purple cabbage, capsicum, an orange, carrots, cucumber, and courgette. I'll not be using the whole cabbage. I'll be doing half the cabbage. Next, take your capsicum and cut your capsicum thinly. Next, take your cucumber and cut off the ends. Take your peeled carrots and shred. Next, take your orange and grate the peel to make a fine paste, like 1 teaspoon. Then go ahead and peel off your orange and divide it into small sections. Then cut it as thinly as you can. That way you can ensure every bite you're having will have an orange to it. On to making the salad. Pour your purple cabbage. Next, take your carrots, your capsicum, your cucumber, and your orange. See how amazing it looks, and the colors just blend in together. It's time to mix. On to the salad dressing. 1 teaspoon of the grated orange peel, about 2 teaspoons of gourget paste, 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise, and some oyster sauce. Since it's too thick, you can add in vinegar or fresh lemon juice. Add that into your salad bowl and mix. There you have it, guys. Yet another perfect healthy salad. Let me know how you like it. Leave a comment down below. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.